Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another grocery haul video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kristi. It's been a little bit of time since I've done one of these. Some of you may know I have kind of been away from my channel for the last month for some health and personal reasons, but I am slowly getting back to the swing of things. I actually did a catching up chat video. I'm not sure if this video is going to go up first or that one, so be on the lookout for that if you haven't seen it. So let me quickly go through and share with you what I got from Aldi. This was an Aldi Instacart delivery, so I will put a link down in the description box below. If you've not used Instacart, check them out. They are so convenient if you don't have time to go pick your groceries up yourself. So as always, I'm going to be sharing the points for all three programs for Weight Watchers and also the calories as well. So starting down here, I got some turkey kielbasa. For these ones, you can have 2 ounces for 2 points, or if you're counting calories, 90 calories for 2 ounces. I got these chocolate fudge low-fat ice cream bars. These are actually pretty good. They're a little bit high in points at 5 points per bar, but if you're counting calories, they're only 90 calories. So this is kind of one of those things that it's a higher point value because Weight Watchers really want you to focus on something that's a little bit more healthy, but calorie wise they are low, 90 calories. I got these. Now these are not good calorie or point. These I got from my husband. He likes me to just have these in the freezer for him in case he ever just wants one. These are 14 points per pizza. And if you're counting calories, it is 430 calories per serving. So if you eat both the French bread pizzas that are in this box, it's going to cost you 860 calories. So very high on that. There are definitely some lower calorie and lower point choices for that one. I also got some 50 calorie Fit and Active orange juice. That's only 3 points for 1 cup or 50 calories. I got some light mayonnaise back here, 1 point for 1 tablespoon, 3 points for 2 tablespoons. So also if you're following Weight Watchers WW, if I don't give different points, it means that it's the same points for all 3 programs. So far everything's been the same points on everything. And if you are counting calories, it's going to be 40 calories for 1 tablespoon. I also got some instant Jasmine rice. That's 5 points per serving. The instant rice is a little bit different. It's half a cup dry, which makes about 1 cup cooked. So that's 170 calories or 5 points for that. If you get just the regular long grain white rice, this is not the instant rice. This is kind you have to cook the old-fashioned way. This is 5 points also, but the serving size, because of the fact that it cooks a little bit different, serving size is only 1/4 of a cup dry, and that is 160 calories. So it comes out to about the same serving size though, and I think I have a leak in my bag because there's rice on the table. I got some Skipjack Tuna. This is 0 on blue and purple, 1 point for the whole can on green. I got some white potatoes. These are the sliced ones. That Aldi didn't used to have the slice. They only used to have the whole, but they just started selling the slice at my Aldi. 2 points for 2/3 of a cup, 0 points on purple. I got some Regano traditional sauce. This is similar to like Prego traditional. Prego I think is a little bit sweeter in my opinion, but same points, 3 points for half a cup. If you're counting calories, it is 70 calories for half a cup. And I think I forgot to tell you the calories on the tuna and the potatoes. The calories on the tuna, 90 calories for the can, and the calories on the potatoes are 60 for a serving, which is 2/3 of a cup. If you eat this whole container, it's 160 calories. I also got some center cut bacon, 2 slices for 1 point. If you're counting calories, it's 70 calories for 2 slices. I got some angel hair pasta. This is not whole grain, so if you're on purple, it's not 0 for this kind. This is 5 points per serving, which is 2 ounces or 200 calories. I got some Never Any country style chicken breakfast sausage. These are 1 point for 1 link, and then it's 2 for 2, 3 for 3, and then when you get up to 4 links, it becomes 5 points. And the calories on this one are 45 calories per link. I got some oven roasted turkey breast and some smoked honey turkey breast. This oven roasted even on blue and purple did scan out for 1 point for 3 ounces. I think there's a little bit of sugar in it. So 1 point for 3 ounces on all programs. The honey smoked is 1 point for 2 ounces on all programs. Back there, I got some salmon, which is actually frozen, but that's because I had it in my freezer. I actually got this before and I had put everything away because I didn't have time to film it. So I just pulled this out of my freezer for now. So salmon on blue and purple is 0. On green, it is 6 points for 4 ounces of that kind. That's not the wild caught. Also got a couple bags of the chicken tenderloin. We love these, love these, love these. If you're on blue and purple, 0 points. And if you're on green, it's 0 points for 3 ounces. If you have anything more, anything between 3 ounces and 9 ounces becomes 1 point. I got a bunch of like French fries and potato puffs. So these are kind of like tater tots. So for the potato puffs, 4 points or 150 calories for 3 ounces. For the crinkle cuts, it is 3 points or 110 calories for 3 ounces. And then some hash browns, these are 3 points or 90 calories for 2/3 of a cup. And finally, I got a couple bags of Brussels sprouts, which are 0 on all programs. If you're counting calories, it's 30 calories for, I think, 2/3 of a cup. So it says 6 pieces. So 30 calories for 6 Brussels sprouts. So that's my Aldi Instacart grocery haul for this week. So I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. I'm Kristi, and I'm planning us healthy.
You're perfect as you are. Just